Here's how to fix your iPhone not connecting to the Wi-Fi. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network at home or an office or anywhere and it's just not working, I'm going to show you how to fix that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings here, and we need to get into the Wi-Fi network. So let's tap on Wi-Fi right under airplane mode. And we're going to just toggle this off. So turn off Wi-Fi and then essentially just turn it back on. This will reconnect to the Wi-Fi network that you have connections to. However, you can also in here tap on the little I next to the network that you're trying to connect to. And you're just going to hit forget this network. It will say basically that it will remove any knowledge or previous settings from this network. Keep in mind, if you do this, you will need to re-enter the password to connect to that Wi-Fi again. So make sure that you know that, but just hit forget this network. Now, after we've done that, let's go back. Another big culprit is a VPN. So let's scroll down a little bit and tap on General. And then from here, let's scroll down until we get to VPN and device management. So tap on VPN and device management and VPN. If there is a VPN, I would recommend disconnecting from that VPN, or if you don't use it, you can completely delete that VPN profile from there. Again, a lot of times VPNs will, for whatever reason, interfere with or cause issues with connecting to Wi-Fi. So after you've done that, let's just go back here and we're going to tap on transfer or reset iPhone at the very bottom. From here, let's hit reset and reset all network settings. So just enter in your passcode and this will reset all of those network settings, including all of your Wi-Fi settings back to factory default. Again, a lot of times this fixes issues with your specific phone connecting to a Wi-Fi. After you've done that, you're going to go back here, and another big culprit is screen time. So once you're back to the home page here, we'll scroll down and tap on screen time towards the bottom. And then from here again, scroll down and you can see content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that. And if this is turned on, essentially there could be issues from this content and privacy restrictions connecting to a Wi-Fi. So I would recommend just turning this off. Unless you really need it on, I would just leave this off. It's not really a setting that you need to turn on unless it's a kid's phone or something like that. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right here. And we're going to toggle on airplane mode just to disconnect from everything and then toggle it back off. Essentially, again, this reconnects to every network, your cell network, as well as any Wi-Fi in the area that it knows the password to or remembers that specific network. The last thing I would recommend doing is heading into your settings here. Let's just go back. We'll tap on General and then scroll to the very bottom, tap that shutdown button. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone fixes any kind of bugs or glitches on the phone itself. Your phone could have been running for days or weeks or months without a proper reboot and reset. So just turn it off and then turn it back on. And a lot of times that fixes issues. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.